In this video, I will tell you how to remove Google account in Android mobile in easy steps. Okay, so many times we need to do that. So I will tell you how to do it. First, you open Gmail application. You will get Gmail application in Google folder. If you do not find Gmail app, then you just go to search bar and type Gmail. You will get it there. After open Gmail application, click to profile option. It is top side right corner. Then click to manage account on this device option. Then select the Google account which you want to remove. After it, click to remove account button. Now our process is completed. Now your Google account has been removed successfully from Android device. You just confirm it in Gmail application. Just go to profile option and there you will see our Google account has been removed. So you can try this step to remove Google account in Android mobile. If you have any suggestion, then write in our given below comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. So goodbye for now. Thank you.